For a long time, we were in two minds about buying the Philips OneChef. Every time we came across it online or saw someone using it, we would wonder, do we really need another kitchen appliance? After all, our kitchen already had its fair share of gadgets. But finally, we decided to take the plunge, and the Philips OneChef came home. Did we make the right decision? Is the Philips OneChef useful? Keep watching this video to know the answers as we share our experience with you, from unboxing to cooking our first dish on Philips OneChef. The product arrived in a neat and attractive box in which the main body and the accessories were neatly arranged. Our first impression was that the appliance looked sleek, compact, and modern. It didn't feel bulky, which is always a plus in a kitchen where space is at a premium. Setting up the device was quite simple and straightforward, almost plug and play, and we were quickly ready to cook our first dish. For our maiden recipe, we chose something simple, Aloo Gobi, and got about chopping the vegetables required. After all, the one chef doesn't do your cutting and chopping. We selected the appropriate cooking mode, which in this case was stir fry. The Philips OneChef has 6 main functions, which are air fry, stir fry, boil, curry, steam, and keep warm, apart from a manual mode. We have tried out a few more recipes and different modes of the Philips OneChef, though there is still a lot more to explore. Here are a few takeaways from my experience. Simplicity of use. We found it very user-friendly and easy to operate. Versatility. It has 6 main modes which combine to give 33 cooking functions and presets. Healthy. In the limited time that we have used, we can say that cooking in OneChef is a healthier option as you can drastically cut down on oil. In the coming weeks, we'll be trying out a variety of recipes and putting the Philips OneChef through its paces to discover its full potential. We hope you found this video helpful. Do like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel for more such interesting and informative videos on travel and lifestyle. Thank you.